Hey guys, Dr. Noob Sauce. I just got home from work, so it's about 6 a.m. in the morning right now when I'm recording this. I am really freaking tired. Now, regardless of how tired I am, I figured let me get back into making videos. I just got a brand new computer. I'm super excited because I can actually handle the workload that my previous computer couldn't handle, which made making videos a little bit of a chore at times. Quick thanks for John Littlejohn. He is an active member of many of the groups, and he is also a member over at Hookah-Shisha.com, where I buy all of my stuff that I need. Let it be maybe some coals or shisha, or you know, a new alpaca bowl. I get most of my things that I use on a daily basis from Hookah-Shisha, so thank you. And I wanted to show you this little drawing that he drew of a little Splatoon squid. It's Splatoon sauce, Noob sauce. I like it a lot. I'm probably gonna like cut it out and hang it up on the wall. So thanks, John, for listening to my request. Main point of this video, I got a box from Hookah-Shisha that I purchased obviously with my own money, but they were having this crazy cool special, which was purchase a mystery box. Now, usually the only people who do mystery boxes, I think, was like 5-star, but Hookah-Shisha decided to join in on the mystery box craze. I think I saw Sean post a random post on maybe Hookah Enthusiast or THL about this mystery bag giveaway thing. So I was super excited to see it, and I wanted to buy a couple of them. So what I'm going to do with you guys is open this, if I can get it open. Tape, you're my mortal enemy! I have no clue what's gonna be in these boxes. No clue. I've seen a couple of my other friends. I think Badia has got some what did he get? Some Natural Order. I love Natural Order. I think their Hookah-Shisha's team up with Trifecta to make that flavor was amazing, and I think they should do it again because it was really well received. Okay, so I got some mystery box stuff. So I see some goodies. I think I see a bowl. I think I see some Nirvana. So let's see what we got here. First one is, what the hell is this? In here is some vintage, I think it says Ginkgo? Weird. Oh, it's definitely coconut. I don't know. Vintage, I am a big fan of vintage, especially the spice peach flavor. That is one of my favorite flavors. So I will definitely give this a shot. I'm not a huge fan of coconut. I especially don't even know what else is in here. So it looks like some vials with some weird liquid in it. I don't know. I think it's Ginkgo. Ginkco, not Geico. So the second vintage flavor, they put a lot of vintage in here, is fresh lime. So fresh lime, never tried it on the vintage line. I didn't even realize they had so many vintage flavors, but I appreciate it a lot. I do like vintage. I'm not a big fan of lime by itself, but I think maybe I can mix this with another fruity flavor to really bring out the citrusness. So I think this is a bowl here, but we're gonna keep that towards the end to see what it is. Alright, so let's see what else we got here. We got a Fumari lighter. Which I actually have 3 of them from the expo. So this is Friday, it says right here, Friday the 13th, written on here, at Hookah-Shisha. So let's see what else I got here. I was kind of hoping for that cane mint stuff, but you know what? It's a mystery bag. You get what you get. Can't complain. I believe it was only like 13 bucks, if I remember properly. Oh, come on, tape! Alright, so I got a 3-pack of Frank the Tank. That's pretty cool. So I got Frank the Tank from Nirvana. I got milk because I feel like there's something going on here. I feel like there's a mix. And Sex Monkey. Sex Monkey, milk, and Frank the Tank. Now, milk, self-explanatory, right? Don't know what the other two is like. I don't know what Frank the Tank is like, and I do not know what Sex Monkey is like. But we will definitely try this out. All in all, for a box that's like 30 bucks, it's not bad. It really is. My God. Now, should I use this? I feel like I should pack a bowl using this. I don't want to. I'm not even sure what bowl this is. M-A-Z-A-J. I'm bad with pronunciations. But you know what? Let's pack a bowl in this weird bowl. Let's do it. Right now, I'm gonna pack a bowl. Alright, so I put some passion fruit from Alpha Comma. I put some cane mint in here, and I'm using Superior Cocoa, the green box. I'm using 3 of them. And this is my foil. This is what happens. This is it. I foiled it, I punctured the holes, and this is what I got. It's very hard, well, not very hard, but kind of annoying to foil a hexagon style bowl because you have sharp edges, so you have to be very careful. I did double foil this, so I am curious to see how it's going to smoke. I want to say it's not going to smoke very well, but it does look like it holds easily, like 20 grams of shisha, because it is very deep. I fluff packed it, so hopefully I get a decent session out of it. So let's see. And right away it doesn't fit on the grommet I have. Alright, so I got the coals on this bowl. I did a little Frankenstein thing here where I know you're like, it looks like a mouthpiece. I feel like Mr. Kennedy. That's a wrestling thing. No. Crown Hookah is going out of business, so it sucks seeing companies go out of business. Even if it's companies you don't necessarily buy from on the regular, I like to see the hookah community thrive, and I like to see more companies emerge and sell more products, especially get products from like overseas, like Poland, Russia, you know, South America. I like to see more products come to the United States because that means I can try everything without having to pay a huge price tag. But Crown Hookah had an amazing sale. I think it's still going on. You can check the website. I'll put the link down below. But I bought this, and I forgot the name of this thing. But basically, it's supposed to go over a glass pipe. And I don't have one, and if you know anything about me, I break everything that's glass, so I'm being very careful with this. So it does look like a water bottle, like I shrunk a water bottle. I taped it onto my old Derek Moses hose, as you can see, Dr. Noob Sauce. Derek Moses is probably gonna kill me for doing this to his hose, but I am gonna buy a new one because his new ones are great and they're fantastic, and I like them, and I need to get me one. But I need that precious money. So, but right now, I electrical tape, I Frankensteined this bad boy, and it's glass, it's nice, so, I don't know, I was feeling silly, I was feeling, you know, weird. I do like the whole, look of it. It clears out pretty fast. And if you don't like the whole, like, little mouth tip here, you can always put, you know, this on it. It doesn't make it any less weird. It actually looks ridiculous. This is what I'm using right now at 7 in the morning. I think I'm delusional. This whole package, this whole mystery bag from Hookah-Shisha is great. it's fantastic. I got my third Fumari lighter, which maybe I'll give this away in Vegas. I don't know, I'll just throw it at someone and be like, it's yours now, take it. 3 bags of Nirvana. I got a lighter. I got 200 grams of vintage for about, I think it's like 30 something bucks or something like that. With shipping comes out to 40 bucks. I like the whole mystery aspect. I like sometimes not knowing what I'm gonna get. You know, I like being surprised. It also helps me as a hookah smoker to change up what I normally buy, like, because I very rarely go outside my wheelhouse when it comes to flavors, unless there's something new on the market that I want to try. So it helps me branch out a little bit. So I want to say thank you to Hookah-Shisha for doing this little event. I would like to see more of these type of grab bag, these giveaways, or not, well, not giveaways, but you know what I'm saying, mystery bags. I would like to maybe see if Hookah-Shisha can actually put up a poll and see what people would want to see from these bags. Maybe, you know, people want to see more trifecta, more Tangiers. Maybe people are willing to pay a little bit more for a more premium product. Not to say that Star Wars vintage line isn't good, but I can definitely tell that this is more of like, hey, we have all this stuff on clearance and we want to get it out and let's surprise some people. So it is a good intention event that they threw on. So thank you, Hookah-Shisha, you know, John, Little John, Sean, everyone over there, Hookah-Shisha, thank you very much. Yeah, we'll be doing more of these videos because I got my computer back and I will be streaming games and smoking shisha and doing more lives. I kind of want to get back into the classroom series, so I want to start lining more people up, especially with the Hookah Expo Worldwide coming up in August, which is about 2 weeks away. Super excited about that. I'll be posting it all over my social media. So thank you guys, and I'm going to enjoy this Frankenstein hookah. And you guys have a great day.